Hello, Avalanche. Are you ready to celebrate? Argon has big surprises for you. Are you interested in chemistry, compounds, or atoms? Argon's Atomic NFT collection is ready for launch on Avalanche on 2nd October. Mint the most valuable NFT on the periodic table. Create unique compounds NFT with your atoms, and sell your atoms or compounds on Marketplace of Argon. It is limited to 10,000 pieces, and there are just a few compounds. Try to find Argon. Prepare your AVAX till 2nd October. Don't miss out on this chance. Stay tuned.